Here's what you need to install and start the 49cc Mini ATV. Make sure all stuff is complete. First, open the packaging. Use a wrench to remove the bolts and nuts from the metal frame. These are the items included in the toolkit. Tools for assembling the front wheel. Remove the mounting bolt from the front brake caliper. Insert the front wheel into the front axle with the brake disc facing inward. Align the mounting holes on the brake caliper with the fixing holes. Insert the bolt and tighten it. Screw in the nut on the front wheel. Insert the black rubber cap onto the front wheel and install the other front wheel in the same way. Tools needed to assemble the handlebars. Align the pressing block with the installation holes and insert the bolts. Adjust the angle of the handle and tighten the 4 bolts one by one. After assembly, please test the brake to ensure it has been installed correctly. Tools required to assemble the front wheel. Remove the bolt and nut from the rear suspension. Lift the rear swing arm and align the rear suspension with the mounting holes. Insert the bolt and nut, then tighten them. Tools required to assemble the chain guard. Insert the 3 bolts into their respective holes. Tighten the bolts. The tools you will need for front bumper and front rack assembly. Align the bolt holes on the front bumper with the bolt holes on the frame and insert the bolts. Tighten the bolts. Align the mounting holes at the bottom end of the front rack and the top end of the front bumper. Insert the bolts and nuts, then tighten them. Tools required for rear rack assembly. Place the rear rack onto the back of the ATV. Align the mounting hole on the exhaust pipe with the mounting holes on the frame and the rear rack. Insert the reflector into the rear end of the rear rack. Insert the nut and tighten it. Align the slot under the seat with the frame and insert it. Push down the rear end of the seat to secure it in place. Now you're ready to enjoy your ride.